Let peace breathe, I hear you say. Give it space to move around, squirm, rattle, and shake. Even like an earthquake, if that's what is needed. Do not judge. Step back and open. Through opening, I step forward into gentle and relaxed attentiveness. Spacious curiosity can be born and bloom. Just like a dandelion can grow through rock and concrete, so too can peace. Become aware of conflict when it is potentially arising. Step back and open. Step into spacious wonder and curiosity with my awareness. Do so with what is not only happening outside of me with another, but also with what's happening within my body tensions and sensations and emotions. Let peace breathe. Sri Chinmoy says, if you have inner peace, nobody can force you to be a slave to outer reality. Conflict needs attention. It thrives in turmoil and debate. Peace thrives in silent contemplation and stillness. I can feel with my body how different it feels to be engaged with arguing versus what it feels like to be in peace and presence. Peace says, be still, my child. It's time to rest and relax your racing mind, irritated emotions, and antsy body. Peace allows me to get home from school and take off my backpack, as my dear friend Zoe shared. Take off your backpack, beloved child. Let peace hold you. Listen to the peaceful river flowing and feel the gentle breeze. All is well. You are safe and loved. Why do I argue with reality? Let me rephrase that. Why do I argue with another person's reality? Is it that big of a deal if someone has their own thoughts? If they interpret words and expressions differently than me? Is it that big of a deal if their life has led them down different paths, them to be as they are right here at this moment? Am I still trying to change their mind? Do I think I am helping them learn and grow? Do I think I can illuminate their consciousness and make them an individual I'd accept or tolerate more? Why do I try so much and exhaust my energy? I say it's because I care and want harmony and kindness between the two of us. Yet these debates are like wars dividing us further. I know each person is on their own journey, even while we are all connected. Why take another's worldview personally? Let peace breathe, I whisper. It feels like I'm forfeiting or that I'm giving up my voice or autonomy. It feels like if I let peace breathe, I'm giving up. I'm letting them win. I'm going unnoticed, unheard, and unseen. I'm fighting for my life, for my existence to matter, for my perspective, my voice, my safety, my. I can hear me yelling. Let peace breathe, my child. Okay. Even if it's a weakness to surrender, I will step back so I can open. Here, the world seems less noisy. I can actually hear more of what's going on. There is way more going on than what I initially heard when I was fighting. Let peace breathe. My mind expands and my body relaxes. My heart feels protected, not in armor, but by loving and nurturing hands holding me, reassuring me that there is peace here too. My worries, concerns, and needs to be heard, validated, or seen are lulled to a peaceful sleep where they no longer are in desperate need because their needs are already met. I am safe. I am loved. Peace begins with me.